Hi, my name is Brandon Zumsteg, and this is my Pecha Kucha. My purpose statement is to use my talents to better myself and those around me. My personal goal is to compete in a powerlifting competition by next year. My career goal is to work in law and make good income, and my academic goal is to get straight A's this semester. All right. Uh, my long-term personal goal is to compete in a powerlifting competition. This is important to me because I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but I have not been able to because of injuries that I've gotten. This goal will allow me to better myself by training harder and discipline myself even more. And this is a picture of me trying not to rip one. An obstacle that could definitely prevent this would be injuries. Themes that will help me overcome these injuries are restorative, for problem solving, and my analytical to separate my feelings from what's actually happening. Uh, my long term academic goal is to get straight A's all semester. This is important to me because it will show improvement and discipline, just like my other goal. This goal will show that I am bettering myself and working harder than before, which relates to my purpose statement and will also further push me towards my career. An obstacle that could stop me from completing this is lack of motivation. I would apply my activator and my restorative themes. This problem will be solved through my restorative, and the activator will help me get my work done. Sorry. My long term career goal is to work somewhere in law, whether it's law enforcement or going to law school. This is important to me because it's something that I enjoy learning about a lot and it interests me heavily. This goal can relate to my purpose statement because I can better those around me by defending the innocent, or I can, get the guilty punished, I guess. An obstacle that could definitely stop me from this would be winning the lottery. I feel like, if I won the lottery, there's not a lot that you can do to get me to go to work every day. And yeah, I don't think there's any themes that will help with that either. And lastly, Valencia will help me by furthering my education and getting me to UCF, where I hope to complete my education. And my first step is to just continue what I'm doing right now. I think I'm on a pretty good path. All right, thanks for listening.